Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at around $82.64. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, you can say that it is the zone where the price of crude is moving since December of 2022. Okay, and after that what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall after making a half around $130. Okay, and there is a pattern forming that you have to understand, that the same pattern we have seen in natural gas also, that when after pandemic what happened, that whenever it hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall comes. Okay, and this is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, and when it swing form, that is where it tries to go upside and there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, so chances can be high. Suppose if the price didn't sustain or move below this particular level of $80, then only we can see it can move further down, or it can touch a level of $77. Okay, but now it is trying to form a swing at this particular level, and if it started sustaining this level, chances of touching $85.5 will be there, and then we can see it can move further upside. I'll explain you here. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart, what we have seen for a particular day today, that previous day it was a red candle and today it is a green candle and a gap is still pending. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards its next resistance of $82.98, which is already a half this particular day, and once it sustain this level, it can cross a level of around $83.3. This $83.3 is already a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see it can cross a level of around $84.03 to a level of 84.56. Okay, and once the price move above that particular zone, it can cross a level of $85.5 to a level of 86.79, and once started moving upside, then chances of going further high is there, and then we can see a level of $89 to a level of 90.24. okay, keep that in mind. Once started going higher, then we can see it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of around $92.25, and from there we can see a level of around 93.27, and then further upside if the price goes above that particular zone. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can go further down and can touch a level of around $82.35, and from there we can see a level of 81.8. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, it can go towards a level of $81.3, and once it started moving below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around 80.83. okay, and once it fall below that level, then chances of touching 79.79 is there, and once started falling below that level, it can move further down towards a level of $79.11, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $77 to a level of around 75.77, and once the price fall below 75.77, then we can see it can break this particular zone and can move further down low. Keep this in mind that 79 to a level of 77, there is a gap, so probability of filling this gap is on a higher side. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description as well. Okay, now understand why most of the traders lose money, because they don't understand. They try to make double or triple the capital in a single day or in a very short span of time by taking full capital risk. They do not understand where to stop. You always have to set a SL or intraday limit for a particular trade, for a particular session, or for a particular day. Suppose if you have a strong limit of around, suppose $500, if your capital is suppose 10,000, so set a limit for a particular day. Then if that limit comes, stop the trade for the day and then trade the next day. Okay, I teach how to overcome all these things which most of the traders lose money for. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.